to another tornado siren walk around, and actually this will be going off later on today, so I just thought, because I still have like 10 minutes, I said, no, I'll come up here, so hold on, let me get up there really fast. Yeah, this is a Brecksville, Ohio ASCT 128. Okay, this, I just call it the flower pot. Yeah, quick video because I do need to get it set up. Just a little view of where it's all at. So yeah, just like quick video before it goes off. So yeah, hope you liked the video. I know it was fairly short because I need to get the camera set up. So yeah, guys, see you in a little bit.